Euro comes under selling pressure after the finance ministers in the Eurozone fail to agree on a coronavirus plan, right? So they've been speaking since Tuesday to try and construct this plan, this bailout fund, issuing of coronavirus bonds. Essentially, it's just a big pool of funding for any country within the Eurozone, within the bloc that may falter or not even necessarily get to the stage of faltering, but is contracting and requires some funds to prop up the economy, whether it's obviously the core being, Eurozone banks, these financial institutions, whatever the case may be, the money's be there readily available to cushion the blow potentially from the coronavirus. Similar to what we've seen, action from governments in the UK, in the US, so on and so forth. This is a big one for the Eurozone bloc as a whole. Now, Euro had been driving higher since late Monday, if you remember, picking up some demand around that psychological 108 region. Now, that was helped on by two things. One, just the fact that there was light at the end of the tunnel. We saw a stabilization in the coronavirus cases that was spreading across some of the hotspots in the Eurozone, the likes of Italy, France and Spain. Okay, but then also we're driving on optimism that the finance ministers in the Eurozone were going to agree on this big chunky stimulus package, this emergency fund, this bailout fund, whatever, that they were going to agree on that. Really, we're expecting an announcement from them late yesterday evening, so late on Tuesday evening. However, those talks continued through the night, and on Wednesday they failed, as in today, they failed to reach an agreement. Those talks are continuing. They are said to be close, but take that with a pinch of salt. And we're still waiting for an announcement. Those talks are continuing, and maybe we'll get an update before Easter, the German finance minister said. So, expect some cautious trading with Euro, perhaps scale back some risk, if in doubt, stay out, so on and so forth, as the saying goes. Trade as per you wish. Guys, look, all of this, we're keeping our members up to date anyway. These are sort of things, fundamental events that you really want to be well and truly plugged into. And we are. Check out our membership, freaknetwork.io, or check out our fundamental course as well at forexfundamentals.io. Other than that, that's it from me. Let's get it.